the manufacturing and the distributor role totally different. See this really as a true partnership, and in a true partnership, like in any collaboration also work related, you want to inform everybody way in advance when you're going to do something or when you're doing something. You can build a product and make it as nice as make it as nice as possible, but it is sort of like a part of the total solution. That's our philosophy. That's always been that way. So being able to make that solution properly work together in a very qualitative way, that's really what our branding is all about. It's a project that we've been working on for the last 3.5 years. So the whole team's actually really excited to start rolling this out. And it will be a whole family of products that we'll bring. That's a totally different way of thinking. Scalability, the flexibility, and the user configuration and the configuration friendliness that you will receive from that product range is quite significant for us as a company. So yeah, I hope that gives you a little bit of information already. I'm really excited and looking forward to actually launching the whole product range at ISE and Hasselt this year.